Hey guys, so I wanted to show you something in regards to maintenance in your water treatment system when you are doing a salt fill up. Over the summertime, the super hot months of Florida, which we have frequently, our salt in our brine tank can get a little bridged up and hard and close together. So I'm going to show you how to unbridge it and loosen it up. Alright, so what I do is I grab a piece of PVC piping and a mallet. You can use anything, a long stick, whatever you have handy, something hard to hit it with. And I stick the PVC piping in the brine tank where it is off. And I simply just put it in the bridged up salt, hit it down, and it loosens it right up. Sometimes you need a little elbow grease. Sometimes it's easier than others. We do a little swirl. Swirl. Now it is all lit.